Mastering money saving, understanding pinching pennies. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its idioms and phrases for you. Today, we're exploring a very common and useful phrase, pinching pennies. If you're keen on learning how to talk about saving money in English, you're in the right place. Let's get started and find out what it means to pinch pennies, and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. Pinching pennies is an idiomatic expression that means to be very careful with money, often to the point of being extremely frugal or thrifty. When someone is pinching pennies, they are trying to save as much money as possible, sometimes cutting down on expenses that others might consider necessary. It's all about minimizing spending and stretching the budget as far as it can go. While the exact origin of pinching pennies is a bit murky, the phrase is believed to have emerged from the old practice of literally testing coins to ensure they were not counterfeit or clipped, a form of fraud where pieces of metal were clipped off coins to create new coins. Over time, the phrase evolved into a metaphor for being frugal and careful with one's finances. Now that you know what pinching pennies means, let's look at how to incorporate it into your everyday language. Here are a few examples. After losing my job, I had to start pinching pennies to make ends meet. They're pinching pennies now so they can afford a big vacation next year. Our budget is tight this month, so we'll have to pinch pennies. Notice how the phrase can be used in various tenses and contexts, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. Understanding idioms like pinching pennies is crucial for English language learners because it helps you sound more like a native speaker and enriches your conversations. Idioms add color and depth to our language, allowing us to express complex ideas in a few words. Plus, knowing these phrases can improve your comprehension when listening to English speakers or engaging with English media. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of pinching pennies. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more confident in using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey filled with discoveries like these. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.